Welcome to MyUCLA Enrollment. In this video, you will learn how to search for classes. Select Classes from the main menu. Under the Enrollment column, go to the link Find a Class and Enroll to begin searching for classes. There are two methods to search for a class, Simple Search and Advanced Search. The Simple Search prompts you with one search criteria. More search criteria are available with Advanced Search. See the Advanced Search video for more details. Make sure that you're in the correct term. Otherwise, the classes that you search will not correspond to the term you are trying to enroll. In our example, the current term is Fall 2012. Then select a search criteria that would narrow down your search. You can search from a variety of criteria, such as subject area, general education, online, and writing 2 classes. In this example, we will search by subject area. In the Enter Subject Area field, you will be given a list of subject areas in alphabetical order, along with their subject abbreviations. You may type out the subject area or select from the list provided. Let's type Math in the field. The drop-down list gets filtered with words that contain what you type. After selecting a subject area, you will be prompted to enter a catalog number or a class title. This field is optional. You could choose from the list provided in numeric order or enter a specific catalog number or class title. Select Go after leaving this field blank in order to see the full list of classes under this subject area. The search result displays all the classes for Math showing the catalog number as well as the class title. Use this page to select the class you are trying to enroll. This concludes our video.